Okay, so here's my crepe myrtle with the crepe myrtle bark scale. It's not too bad. You can see it right here and down here, down there. Now I measured this tree. It's 8.8 feet tall, and I'll put a picture of the app that I use here, the Apple measuring tool. So as you can see, this tree's got a little bit of crepe myrtle bark scale. Today I'm going to do what's called a soil drench. I'm going to put some merit and some hydrate and some urea in my 5-gallon bucket filled with water, and then I'm going to do a drench. But before that, I need to dig a little trench around in the ground to pour my water into, because I want my product to get about 6 inches deep in the soil. If I just pour it on top, that's not going to work. So what I'm going to do, let me go grab my drill. I have this little drill here with an auger bit that I use for some other applications, but I'm going to drill little holes. Oops. All right, there we go. Now, if it wasn't so dry, you could probably just use a sharpshooter and dig a little trench between 6 inches and 24 inches from the base of the tree, and then you would pour your mix into there. Then you pour it in. Okay. Now I'm going to mix it up in a second. And then I'm going to put about a cup full of urea in here to help the tree uptake this merit. So just about that much. And then I'm going to put 1/3 of an ounce of this hydrate product. I'm not going to measure that. I'm just going to eyeball 1/3 of an ounce. Not much. I'm using my same auger to mix it up. All right. Now our goal is to put this 5 gallons in our holes. Now you see I have a lot of cracks in my ground. It's July. It's been super dry. And a lot of the product will go down into those cracks. And there you have it. I'm going to go get another bucket of water and rinse out my measuring cup. Pour the other 5 gallons right on top. Getting too old to carry 5-gallon buckets of water. That is how you do a drench to control Crape Myrtle bark scale using Merit. This product would take about 60 to 90 days to get completely up into the tree and get used to systemic control. Stay tuned to the channel, uglyweeds.com.